We are looking at how to pronounce these two words. They may look similar, but they mean very different things, and they are to be pronounced differently. The top word is to say no. No, I don't want this. No, negative. The bottom word is to express the present time, as in now, I want this right now. Now is the bottom word, the present. No is the top word. No, I don't want this. I want this now. This is the difference. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.